Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to share with you a simple yet powerful health ritual that can completely transform the way you feel every single day. Imagine a natural elixir that boosts your energy, strengthens your immunity, and supercharges your metabolism, all from ingredients you likely already have at home. I'm talking about soaking fresh ginger in apple cider vinegar for just 7 days. Now, before you dismiss this as another health trend, let me tell you why this works and why your body will thank you for it. First, let's talk about ginger. Ginger is not just a spice that adds flavor to your meals. It's a root packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and nutrients that your body craves. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to reduce inflammation, soothe digestion, and even fight infections. Now, when you combine this powerhouse with apple cider vinegar, a liquid rich in acetic acid and essential minerals, you create a synergy that enhances both your body's detoxification and its natural defense mechanisms. When you take the simple step of soaking fresh ginger in apple cider vinegar, you are not just preparing a drink. You are actively empowering your body to defend itself from the challenges it faces every day. Ginger is a potent root that has been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties, and it is not just a minor supplement. It is a natural powerhouse loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These components work at a cellular level to neutralize harmful free radicals, which are often the hidden culprits behind fatigue, slow recovery, and chronic inflammation. Every sip of this infusion is a direct message to your body that it deserves protection, strength, and resilience. Apple cider vinegar complements this process in ways that amplify the benefits of ginger. Its acetic acid content supports healthy digestion, balances internal pH, and creates an environment in your system where beneficial bacteria thrive. This combination doesn't just act on one part of your body. It influences multiple systems simultaneously, creating a ripple effect that strengthens your immunity, supports detoxification, and enhances overall vitality. The magic lies not only in the ingredients, but in the way they interact with your body over time. By soaking the ginger in apple cider vinegar, you extract the root's active compounds and allow them to infuse into a concentrated tonic. This makes the nutrients more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use them more effectively. Every morning, when you take a spoonful, you are giving your immune system a proactive boost, helping to respond more efficiently to daily stressors, environmental toxins, and even seasonal illnesses. This is not about temporary relief. It is about creating a foundation for long-term wellness. In addition to supporting immunity, ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint discomfort, calm digestive disturbances, and even support cardiovascular health. When combined with apple cider vinegar, which promotes circulation and metabolic balance, the effects are magnified, giving your body the tools it needs to operate at peak performance. What makes this ritual truly transformative is its simplicity and consistency. It doesn't require complicated routines, expensive supplements, or drastic lifestyle changes. By committing to this practice for just 7 days, you begin to notice subtle yet powerful changes. The body becomes more resilient to daily challenges, energy levels stabilize, and overall well-being improves. Every spoonful is a reminder that health is not accidental. It is intentional. You are taking control, actively investing in a natural, sustainable way to fortify your body's defenses and create a momentum that carries forward beyond the initial 7 days. With each dose, you are signaling to your body that it is valued, cared for, and capable of thriving under any circumstances. When you incorporate ginger soaked in apple cider vinegar into your daily routine, you are doing more than just consuming a tonic. You are giving your digestive system a powerful ally that works silently but effectively every day. Digestion is a cornerstone of overall health, yet it is often overlooked. Many people struggle with bloating, sluggish metabolism, or irregularity, not realizing that these small inefficiencies in the digestive process can cascade into larger health challenges over time. Ginger is renowned for its ability to stimulate digestive enzymes and accelerate the movement of food through the digestive tract. This means that nutrients from every meal are absorbed more efficiently, fueling the body with the energy it needs to function optimally. When combined with apple cider vinegar, which has been shown to support a balanced gut environment and maintain healthy stomach acidity, the effect is amplified. Together, These ingredients create a dynamic duo that gently encourages the digestive system to operate at its best, setting the stage for higher energy levels and more consistent vitality throughout the day. The boost in metabolism provided by this tonic is equally transformative. Metabolism is often misunderstood as merely burning calories, but is really about how efficiently the body converts food into usable energy while eliminating waste. Ginger naturally stimulates thermogenesis, which increases calorie burning at a cellular level, while apple cider vinegar contributes to stable blood sugar levels, reducing energy crashes and unnecessary cravings. This combination allows the body to operate like a finely tuned machine, converting fuel into energy without the sluggishness that many people experience after meals. The improvement is subtle at first, but within days, people often notice increased alertness, less midday fatigue, and a lighter, more active feeling in their bodies. The change is not superficial. It is internal, occurring on a level that directly affects how you feel, move, and perform every single day. Consistency is key in unlocking these benefits. Drinking this ginger and apple cider vinegar infusion each morning signals to your body that it is a priority. Over time, the digestive system adapts, becoming more efficient at nutrient absorption and waste elimination. This can lead to improvements not just in digestion, but in other areas of health, including energy balance, weight management, and even mental clarity. Each spoonful is a small commitment with compounding rewards, reminding you that the path to better health is built on repeated, intentional actions rather than one-time efforts. The synergy between ginger and apple cider vinegar also supports the body in handling occasional digestive stress from heavy meals or processed foods. By maintaining a consistently efficient digestive process, your body can process nutrients more effectively and recover faster from dietary challenges. This tonic is a tool that empowers you to take control of your metabolism and digestion, creating a foundation of strength that influences every aspect of daily life. The impact may start in the stomach, but it resonates throughout your entire system, giving you the energy, resilience, and confidence to tackle your day fully prepared. When you make the practice of soaking ginger and apple cider vinegar part of your daily ritual, you are giving your body a natural detox that works gently yet effectively. In today's world, our systems are constantly under pressure from environmental toxins, processed foods, and everyday stress. These hidden burdens can accumulate quietly, leaving you feeling fatigued, bloated, or mentally foggy without even realizing the root cause. Ginger, with its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds, helps the body neutralize these harmful substances at a cellular level, while apple cider vinegar assists in maintaining a balanced internal environment that promotes efficient elimination of waste. Together, they create a synergistic process that supports your body's natural ability to cleanse and refresh itself, allowing every organ system to function with greater ease and precision. This is not a harsh detox or a fad cleanse. It is a sustainable daily action that aligns with the body's own rhythm, strengthening its resilience over time. The infusion of ginger and apple cider vinegar encourages the liver, kidneys, and digestive tract to work in harmony, flushing out accumulated toxins and supporting metabolic efficiency. When these systems operate optimally, the benefits ripple throughout the body. You begin to notice subtle changes first: reduced bloating, more regular digestion, and a lighter, more energized feeling. These small shifts are indicators of a deeper transformation occurring internally. By taking the simple step consistently for 7 days, you set off a chain reaction that enhances detoxification pathways, allowing nutrients to be absorbed more efficiently while waste is eliminated more effectively. The body becomes a cleaner, more efficient system, ready to process energy, fight off potential illness, and maintain balance in ways that feel effortless but are profoundly impactful. In addition to internal cleansing, this tonic also helps to combat the oxidative stress that comes from daily exposure to pollution, chemicals, and lifestyle pressures. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to aging, inflammation, and chronic fatigue, yet most people are unaware of its impact until symptoms appear. Ginger's antioxidants work at the molecular level to neutralize free radicals, while apple cider vinegar supports enzymatic activity that assists in cellular repair. This combination provides your body with both defense and recovery, helping it to remain strong, flexible, and resilient even under ongoing stress. By committing to this practice for just 7 days, you are teaching your body to function more efficiently and respond to challenges with greater ease. The subtle, cumulative effect of this detox is not just physical, but also mental and emotional. As the body clears away excess waste and toxins, mental clarity improves, energy stabilizes, and a sense of lightness can be felt in daily activity. Each spoonful of this infusion is a deliberate step toward giving your body the tools it needs to thrive, reinforcing the idea that wellness is built through intentional, consistent actions. Over time, the benefits become more pronounced, creating a foundation of health that enhances energy, vitality, and overall resilience, transforming not just how you feel, but how you approach every day with confidence and strength. When you commit to soaking ginger in apple cider vinegar and incorporating it into your daily routine, the effects extend far beyond physical health, reaching into energy, mental clarity, and self-confidence. Many people underestimate the profound connection between internal wellness and how they feel, think, and perform throughout the day. When the body is nourished, supported, and detoxified, energy levels naturally rise, mental focus sharpens, and resilience to stress improves. Ginger's bioactive compounds stimulate circulation, reduce inflammation, and support cellular energy production, while apple cider vinegar helps regulate blood sugar levels and maintain metabolic balance. This combination ensures that your body is functioning efficiently, converting the food you eat into sustained energy rather than short-lived spikes followed by crashes. Every morning, when you take this tonic, you're setting the tone for a day fueled by consistent energy, not by temporary fixes like caffeine or sugary snacks. In closing, remember this: your body is your most valuable asset. Taking simple, consistent steps like this is not just about health. It's about reclaiming your vitality, your energy, and your confidence. Soak that ginger, drink that tonic, and give yourself the gift of transformation. 7 days from now, your body will thank you, and your future self will be proud you started today.